Magandang hapon po ng August 13, 2026 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 13, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 13, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 13, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for Thursday, August 13, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 13, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.